All right, so
which one do you want to go into?
Let's do this one right here.
All right.
We'll do this one first. I'm just trying to find a model. This is the 40CCK. I think we did a video about a year and a half ago profiling two of these.
We did.
This one and maybe the one behind us.
Yeah, the one behind us I think is a lot taller, it seems.
Yeah, it is. We'll look at that one too.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So.
And again, this is the
here.
40CCK.
I like this. This is a little fold-up bar.
Ooh, yeah,
so
I like that too.
if you see some chairs there, you have a little fold-up bar.
Yeah.
You've got seat 4 here comfortably. Okay, there's a little, whatever that's called to come out.
The slide on the table.
Yeah. Golly, what? Yeah. Anyway, there's a bench
it's called a leaf.
A leaf. There it is. Thank you.
There's
a bench. I like the ones that have the benches that can move around because you can always put it down here like an ottoman, if you will.
Yeah.
Okay. Huge sofa down here that folds out to be a bed. These are cloth, not the faux leather. You've got your recliners here, which are all electric, which are nice.
Oh, that heater is.
Oh, it's
hot.
kicking. It's
kicking
right now.
It's totally kicking.
I'm actually warm in here, okay? Behind Lisa, what she's talking about is she feels the heat coming out of that fireplace.
Wow, that is warm.
There's a nice big TV up there. And then this also looks like a room, a door. I'm just not sure. Oh, it just pulls easily. Look at that.
Wow.
Again,
that
more
is
storage,
so nice.
more cubbies behind the door.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you got some pull-out drawers here, some adjustable shelves. That's really nice.
Wow,
and a little hook.
Yeah.
It's a good place to put your
power
jacket.
there
but
as well.
you should put your jacket in there, I guess.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice kitchen, solid surface everywhere, guys. So you got your sink on the island, stove right behind it, which is 3 burners. This is more of the mini oven, and your microwave above. Glass front on your cabinets over here. Big drawers. Love the pulls. Soft close. This has a dishwasher, Lisa, right here.
Very nice.
All right, side-by-side fridge. 2 freezer drawers, so you can change temperatures if you need to. Got your nice little coffee nook over here. Again, large cabinets, guys. All right. And then you also have this area here. See, that's where I put the jackets.
Yeah.
Then we keep on going towards the back. You got your bathroom. This is going to be tall and fluffy approved as well. Okay. Nice one-piece sort of molded-ish sink.
Oh, I like the sink.
Yep. Some cabinetry underneath there.
Yep.
Okay. You do have a nice tall medicine cabinet. I can see my entire self. Put all the drugs in there. And then there's this cabinet over here for the linens. And again, that's pretty deep, so that's pretty good. Again, another nice shower. Huge height in here, so no issues for the tall. All right, that's great. And then last but not least, we can get into the bedroom, which also has a separate entry to the outside. Lift here. It says lift here. Okay, so this has hidden storage.
Okay.
But also has 4 drawers. Okay. Got your RV King. I'm sure this lifts up for storage underneath, which it does.
Oh, interesting. You can put baskets there, and there's
storage underneath
as
too.
well back there.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Plus, look at this big cubbies over the bed.
Yeah, but just like the other one, there's no place for your CPAPs. However, the trays for here are up tall. They're up high.
Yes, they are.
So they would be out of the way as opposed to at your head.
Yes.
Don't like the fact that it's at your head. Okay. Over here, this is where your washer dryer would go, right here. And then there's cabinets all the way around.
Right.
So lots of space.
Yes.
Looks like it comes with a vacuum, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Nice.
All right, so let's go look at that super tall one.
All right, and